Then I shot the 3, Devin Booker. I don't like good girls, nigga, I like hookers. Saw a fat bitch on Facebook, I might book her.
She caught me eating on my left booger. I was fat, so no, I cannot cook her. I want diabetes, so I'm adding extra sugar. My brother got a new man, but I'm his new man.
Like Derrick Rose, bitch, I'm going for the 2. If you talk to my sister, I'ma shoot you. I used to know this fat nigga named Deuce Deuce. I would fuck your grandma, but her shit loose. I knew this fat nigga that creased some Kmart shoes. Yo fat bitch came around me smelling like piss, and she disrespected me, so I punched her in her lip. And I got the Jamba juice, nigga, I'ma take a sip. Fat ass nigga tried to try on some pants, but they ripped.
Don't shop off of me, cause I'ma rob you for a zip. I'm scared, let me go take a piss. I ain't gonna shoot you, I'm just gonna hit you with a pistol. I got a white girl, she trying to smoke up the split. I hate fat bitches, they look like a blobfish. Don't run in here, cause you gon' get robbed, girl. My head real big, I look like Roger. Throwing balls, hitting balls, I play for the Dodgers.
Kicking bitches out the trap feel like soccer. She said she didn't rape me, bitch, I sock. She made my cock and ball disappear. That if I eat out hella skinny bitches, is that some fat shit? I'm segregating my girls on no black shit. Her head game was weak, that bitch need to practice. You know I ain't make you come, bitch, stop acting. Baby split the buns in 2, that's a fraction.
Little boy, you ain't tough, stop the acting. Have you ever seen somebody get put in past tense? Tony Romo, fuck the ball, I don't need practice. Your girlfriend, she said I'm little, but I'm packing. She said I'm big, I didn't have to act it. I liked her left butt cheek, so I slapped it. She asked me, do you still wanna clap it? Turned around, I gave her this action.
Little nigga run around like you wanna play. Like some water when it cut on, nigga, I'ma spray. That bitch said, do you wanna eat my ass? I said okay, cause you are what you eat at the end of the day. And I know she be eating hella twink. I'm so high off the runs, I can't even blink. I'm fat, but I'm still the king of hide and seek. Me and this fat bitch sex tape got leaked. You know how I'm coming, man. Hella punch got shit, man, in this bitch, man. Fuck is you talking about, man?
You know we coming on 2020, man. Fucking on bitch, man. 200 games.
Phone number.